You don't need to throw away your used tea bags because they can be a great fertilizer for your plants. First, I will show you how to prepare the fertilizer, and then at the end of this video, I will explain you why this is a great fertilizer to use. So, to start the preparation, it is obviously necessary to drink tea and then keep the tea bags. And you should let the tea bags dry for a few days. And to do this, it's very simple. So as you drink the tea, store the tea bags in a dry place and keep them apart from each other so they can dry better. For example, you can use a tray to keep them away from each other. For example, I used this over here and I put the tea bags like this apart. And you can also put this at the sun for it to dry even faster and better. Okay, all these tea bags I have here are already dry. Some of them I have them for more than a month. And once the tea is dry, start opening the bags and putting the contents in a container. So I'll put it in this small container. So just open the tea bag, put the contents, inside this container. So this is what it looks like. It is a great fertilizer. At the end of this video, I'm going to explain you what are the benefits of using this as a fertilizer. So just keep doing it. Keep putting the content of the bags in this container. I have here tea from green tea, black tea, mint, chamomile, and I think that's it. So I have all kinds of tea here. This one has a different color. I think it's black tea. And here it is. This is the content of around 20 tea bags. It is nice and loose. Mix it if you have different kinds of tea. And now I'm going to apply this mixture into this plant. This is a chestnut tree that I grew directly from seeds. Here you can see the chestnut. If you are interested, you can click the card above to see how you can grow this tree at home. It is a very interesting thing to do. And to apply the fertilizer, the first thing is loosen the soil a little bit. And then sprinkle these loosened tea leaves directly in the soil. Okay, and then mix it all again. To put the tea leaves under the soil and well mixed. And that's it. So now let's talk about the benefits of using this as a fertilizer. What are the benefits? Why should I have all this work? First and most important, the tea leaves contain lots of nitrogen. And nitrogen is an essential nutrient for plants. And why? Because it helps the leaves and stem to grow. And also it gives a vibrant green color to your plants. Another benefit is that as this mixture breaks down, it adds organic material to the soil. This improves soil structure, boosts water retention, and helps aerate the soil, which is great for the roots. It also has a small amount of tannins, and tannins can slightly acidify the soil, and there are many plants that benefit of a slightly acidic soil. It also attracts beneficial microbes, so as the tea leaves decompose, it encourages the growth of good bacteria and fungi, and this helps breaking down organic material and makes nutrients more available to your plants. Another benefit important to refer is that it is a great worm food, because worms love the leaves, the tea leaves, these tea leaves, and if there are worms in the soil, they will munch on these tea leaves and in turn create worm castings. And worm castings is one of the best fertilizers, in this case a natural organic fertilizer there is. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and to put the thumbs up. See you and goodbye.